Hey, real quick, just had a level sweep and an excursion outside the bands. Just hit it with the pivot point automated. You could have hit it with the mom strat fully automated. Padded up this account a bit right here. So I'm done for that. I saw that happening when I was working on some stuff with the programmer. And while we're updating the mom strat. So let me say this one more time. You guys in the Algo IQ group, you can trade the pivot point approach. We're updating the fully automated strategy. So you can trade scalp dots fully automated. So you can trade those fully automated wherever and however the heck you want. So the current mom strat will have two modes: mom strat momentum burst trades or pivot point trades. You'll have your same time window settings, your same daily profit objective, daily stop loss, max, all that stuff. The trail stop mechanism, everything will work the same like you trade with mom. Instead of having a mom signals trigger you into the trade, you can utilize scalp dots optimized. So anyhow, I just saw this. We had a key level. This was a tell. I've been watching this all morning thinking, are they going to ramp this thing? Is that a tell or what? Look at the super bands. The super bands from this pivot this morning going forward have been changing directions and accelerating that and narrowing. So when it narrows, it means energy is building up to go one way or the other. And you can just see, low a day, stair step higher. Stair step higher. I've been watching this all morning. Stair step higher, stair step higher. Notice how no pivots are getting broken from prior ones. Now, right in here, we had a little bit of a dip below, but, and then boom, there comes the energy. Institutionals are running buy program activity like their ass was on fire. They were buying 0 DTE options, regular options. They started pumping stocks, and they were buying futures all in concert, fully automated, ramped it, and took out this key level. So that was a key level sweep, and we were outside of the bands. So I turned on the strat on the pivot point, but you can do the same thing. If I would have had the mom strat on, it would have looked just as fine and padded up that account. So I'm done. I'm not playing anymore. But when I get a significant trade like that, I got to go hit it. So let's take a look. That was the pivot highs, going back to yesterday, end of day. And then we got into today's trading, the big slap down market, big fat W pattern, and that's been grinding and cycling up, and then big push. There's all the shorts in this area. Everybody pretty much short that was still holding shorts hit the buy to cover into newly initiated institutional buy program activity. We blew up that level, like as you a level sweep. We're outside the bands. That's like the A+++ trade setup to go in and hit it to the short side. So anyhow, if you were running the mom strat and you saw that in the automated strategy, you can go in and set it up on optimized settings and time frame, and I'll be, the beautiful structured training we have now, I'll add to it, and you can go in and you can trade your scalp dot, fully automated. It'll put you in the trade, you'll have your stop, and get to a break even or plus threshold. All that stuff will work. And you can take some off wherever you want, wait till mid-band, other side of the bands. Once you're in a protected trade, who cares? So all that is available to you. So anyhow, just want to show that. Let's take a look at how it looked on the regular mom signals chart. Go take a quick look. You can see right there, mom signal after the level sweep, and we're outside the bands, which you can see on the left-hand chart. They're pushing, got the mom signal, and short, down we go. So anyhow, I hit that real quick. Let's go look at the pivot point trade chart real quick. There you go. Once we had the level sweep and we were outside the bands, you can see we got the diamond dot set up that I just talked about in prior videos. So diamond, dot short and got a nice little slap down. And that's what I did. I just hit it, pad up that account a bit, and we're done. So I'm almost over double daily goal on that particular account. That's basically talking out to 300K accounts, Apex accounts. So yeah, there you had it. Just want to show you real quick. Level sweep in conjunction with slap down. Let's put a level right there. So that was that pivot high that was prominent. And we pushed above it. Got the little slap down off that pro above the running of everyone's stops. Now the next level is much, much higher. So that's why I really like this. I mean, the next key level is way, way higher in price. So we're kind of in a void for those of you in the volume profile, which I'm not. I don't care about that stuff. Not that it's bad. I just watch my indicators on my charts and trade my setups. But the super bands, I know what the dynamic overbought, oversold areas are with precision. And there we go. So yeah, I have a key diamond dots, quiet background video I'm shooting later. I shot one yesterday. I don't like it. I'm going to cover even more detail, and I'll get that out to the Pivot Point beta group. And then when we get the mom strat updated with the ability to trade the mom strat with the option to do scalp trading fully automated, I'll shoot a specific video how you can optimize your charts to get a dual dot type setup that's sequential looking like this. And it's all how you set up the step sizing in the indicator. So I can go in here in the indicator and I can adjust the step sizing in the AIQ1 indicator that you can only get in the Algo IQ program. I can go in here and I can optimize how responsive the indicator is to price, the moving average that I use of our hybrid advanced math moving averages, non-standard stuff you don't get with anybody else's tools, and then the step sizing, that endpoint additional smoothing. I can dial those babies in so I could have literally 2 dots, at least one, but 2 dots at the key pivot points in the time frame. You only need 1 dot for the automation to execute you into the trade. But I can do the same thing almost with the AIQ1 indicator optimized. Now on this chart, I don't have it optimized for diamonds, dots type trade setup. I just started playing with different settings, with different types of Rankos, more dialing in the bands, super bands to the indicator to see what settings I like best, and the overall look at things. So this is a chart kind of still organically I'm working with on settings. I don't have it exactly where I want it yet. It's just kind of something I've started to work with. I'll probably tinker with this a bit, and by the end of the week I'll have it finalized like right where I want it. So there you have it. More goodies from the Algo IQ program, and then the brilliant additional advancements that we're getting from the Pivot Point beta group. And wow, is there some great sharing going on there. And we have fantastic sharing going on in the Algo IQ private community. So the synergy of forces are going to be win-win for both sides of the spectrum with both these advanced platform type programs. Okay, guys, there you have it. If you have any questions, info at gridalgo.com.